Hey guys, welcome back to SPB Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all 3 easy ways to convert old t-shirts to new cute stylish ones, and also I'll be showing you a very easy makeup look and also how I styled these t-shirts. So let's get started. First, let's do a very simple 5-minute top. For that, I have taken a oversized t-shirt. This is my husband's old t-shirt, and I've drawn a very simple boat neck from shoulder to other shoulder. Okay, that's it, very simple. And then just cut it out, and now we need to fold it as per our elastic का जो measurement होता है ना उसकी size के हिसाब से we need to fold it. Now my elastic is just 1/4 inch width, yeah, just if not less than that. So I have folded this t-shirt accordingly, this neck part, and then we should take the elastic as per our measurement. So it's very simple. Now when you fold it, make sure that you leave a little bit of gap so that you can insert the elastic. Now I have measured how much elastic I need, because I do not want it to be a completely off shoulder one. So I took it accordingly and just cut it out and put on a safety pin at one end, and then just insert it. So it's very simple, as you guys know. So once you are done with it, put both the ends of these elastic together and then give it a stitch. After that gap is there, no, just give a stitch over there as well. And then since it is an oversized t-shirt, I felt that's better if I could shape it a bit so that it's a little bit more good. So if you want it to be a loose t-shirt, you can just leave it like that, but I just have altered it a bit, and that's it. A top is ready. If you want, if you feel that length is a bit more, you can just cut it. That's it. Now for this look, I have put on Steak Worky ka matte liquid lipstick, and that's it, yeah, guys. It's super cool t-shirt, and if you want, you can just knot it, and that is as per your wish. You can just knot it in the middle or at the side. Now I've paired it with a jeggings. It's a printed jeggings which I got from Max, and shoes are from Amazon. It's actually a sneakers. It's from Amazon. A simple watch and hoops. That's it. So this is a DIY headband. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please do check it out. I have made it with old t-shirt. I will be leaving the link in the cart. Okay. Now I will show you guys how to do a cold shoulder t-shirt. Now for that, I'll be just cutting out the t-shirt just below the sleeves like so. Okay. That's how we want. The size would be according to that. Like आपने जो t-shirt लिया है उसके हिसाब से आप वो जो measurement होगा लेंथ उतना होगा. So I have cut it like so, and then sleeves I am cutting it straight from the armhole. So as you guys can see, armhole is just little on like slanting way, but then you have to cut it out straight, and also bottom part also you have to cut it out straight. Now we need to have a like strip which we can attach to the shoulder part. So for that I have cut it out from that like upper portion जो होता है ना t-shirt का, from there I have cut it out. Now we have like 3-4 parts. Before attaching them, first what we need to do is just put it around your armhole area and cut out the elastic, and also around the arm, and then just cut it. That's it. That's the 2 parts where we are gonna attach lace. Now what we need to know is t-shirt का bottom part जो है ना, which is already hemmed, like जो edges which is already hemmed, and you just need to take that part and put on a small slit so that we can easily put this elastic into it, and then just put on this elastic. So this measurement is according to our armhole के नीचे जो size आता है ना, around our just above our bust area, वो size है, and that would depend upon your weight, right? So मैंने जो मेरा measurement है, I have taken it accordingly and I have put on that elastic. Now on the sleeves part also, on to our arm, we have taken the measurement of that elastic, right, and we have cut it out accordingly. Now for sleeves also, just put on this elastic through this like hemmed part which is already hemmed, t-shirt जब खरीदते हैं that time it's already hemmed, right? Now what we need to do is attach the sleeves both these sides, and जो strips हमने बनाया है ना, which we have already cut out, and just attach that as well. First what I'm gonna do is I'm just interlocking the bottom part of the top, wherein we have attached the lace. टॉप पोर्शन पे हमने अटैच किया है ना, बॉटम पार्ट वी हैव जस्ट हेम्ड इट, एंड ऑल्सो द स्लीव्स ऑल्सो आई एम just hemming it. Here I'm using interlock. If you do not have interlock system in your machine, you can just go for a running stitch as well. Just to make it a little bit more beautiful, I'll be attaching a pom-pom lace as well. Again, it's optional. If you want, you can do it, else you can just skip it. And even to this bottom part of the top also you can put on this pom-pom lace. Now what we need to do is we need to exactly measure the side part where the sleeves should come. There we need to attach this sleeve and दिस टॉप पार्ट जो है ना, वो दोनों हमें एक साथ पकड़ के साइड पे एक स्टिच लगाना है, जस्ट अ स्मॉल स्टिच, ओके, so that it becomes a off shoulder, not off shoulder, it becomes a cold shoulder t-shirt. Okay, now it's optional. If you want, you can go for a strip. I'm going for a strip because I'm not comfortable in that much skin show. That's the reason I'm going for a strip. But then if you are comfortable, go ahead, it's super cool. Now I have put on a stitch like so, and then I'll be just pulling it inside out so that we get the like good part of the fabric, and then whatever fabric is there extra, just cut it out. Now on this side you need to attach the strip according to the measurement. Just measure it on your body and see how much you need length, and then just attach to both the sides, and it's ready. It's super simple, but then it's so cute, you guys. For this I'm gonna apply a lip crayon. Since it's a white t-shirt, I went with a red lips, and I put on a necklace. It's not necklace, it's a simple chain, but then it has got 3 layers. Again, jeggings is the same, and sneakers is also the same. It's from Amazon, and that's it. Simple styling, nothing much actually. That's it, you guys. That's it. And now let's move on to another one. And okay, sorry guys, if you want, you can just put on a jacket and it would be super cool. Now next one is a off shoulder t-shirt with frills. This is how it looks like. It might look a little complicated, but trust me, it's super simple, super easy. Now what we need to do is we need to draw a straight line just below the neck. Okay, just exactly below the neck you need to draw a straight line, and you need to mark exact middle. And then what we need to do is just take little couple of inches extra, like आपको जो measurement चाहिए उससे just take 2 inches extra and draw armhole like so from the shoulder. Okay, alright, now once it is done, whatever length you need, you just mark it and cut the extra part. So here it should be a crop top because टी शर्ट का लेंथ जो है ना वो ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, सो इसलिए वी ऑल्सो नीड little bit of fabric for the frills, so we need to make it as a crop top. In that way only we are gonna get that extra fabric. Now whatever fabric is extra is there in the t-shirt, we need to put it as the frill. This is how it's gonna look like. Okay, now first let's work with the frill. What we need to do is just fold this as per the measurement of the elastic. Mine is just smaller than a quarter, so that's the reason I've folded a little bit. And as I have shown before, just make sure that you leave a little bit of gap so that you can insert the elastic, and whatever measurement you need, just place it on your body and see how much measurement you need and take the elastic accordingly, and then insert that elastic. In that way, as you guys can see, frills are formed. Okay, now we need to attach this to the top. Okay, now it's very simple. Just put it on this shoulder part and make sure that you leave a little bit of gap both the sides, because of course you need to insert the arm, right? Insert your hands. So first make sure that you just hem the edges of this t-shirt. उसका जो बॉटम है ना वो हमने हेम नहीं किया है, जस्ट हेम दैट एज वेल, एंड देन मेक श्योर दैट इफ यू वांट यू कैन शेप इट फर्स्ट and then only attach the frill to the t-shirt. So first you need to hem the t-shirt's bottom and then shape it first, okay? And after that, once it is done, you can take the frill and then you need to mark it, like you need to mark the exact middle part. For that, just fold it in the middle part and then just mark it with a chalk or a marker or something like that. So in that way you get to know the exact middle part of the frill, and also you need to mark the exact middle part of this top as well. इस पे हमने arm hole everything we have cut it like earlier itself. Now we need to attach this frill का जो middle part जो है होता है ना वो, and this top का जो middle part है, दोनों एक साथ एक पिन लेके उससे हमें पिन करना है, एंड देन वी कैन स्टिच, ओके? इन दैट वे यू कैन सी दैट फ्रिल पार्ट थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, दोनों साइड पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, एंड देन जस्ट पिन इट विद the normal craft pin जो होता है ना, just pin it with that, and in that way we will be able to attach both this top and frills together. Now make sure that you do not pull the frill and then attach, let it be both together as it is. Do not pull both the fabric, in that way it would not have that perfection. And that's it, you guys. Super simple and super easy, but then it's so cute. And with that, top is done. Now I'll show you guys simple makeup look. For that, I have first moisturized my skin with plum moisturizer and then put on sugar compact powder. Both of them are my favorite. And then I will be filling in my eyebrows with Wet n Wild ka eyebrow pencil, and then put on a highlighter. Again, my favorite is Wet n Wild. And once it is done, you can take the same highlighter and put a little bit of that highlighter to your eyelids, and that it just gives a open eye look. Now for eyeliner, I'll be using this sketch eyeliner from Blue Heaven. It's super jet black. I really like this one. It's very easy as well, very easy to work with, and it's really nice. Now for lipstick, for this one I'm gonna use this Blue Heaven ka Splash, and it's in a nice plum nude shade. And that's it, you guys. You guys can see that top is really cute, and this makeup is very simple, and the products are really good, easily available ones. And for this, again, jeggings are the same. I've put on Amazon se liya hua sneakers and hoops. That's it, guys. These were the 3 looks. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. Please do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you all. So if you have liked this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, and love you all. Mwah, bye.